Dinner time is about to go Gigantamax with Max Soup. First, we'll need Max mushrooms. I found some in my backyard. Like the filter? Of course, this is all a big old spoof. Don't go pick mushrooms in your backyard, they're probably poisonous. These are oyster mushrooms, but you can use shiitakes or even good old white buttons. Slice them however you want. When it comes to oysters though, I tend to shred instead of chop. Set them aside. Alright, we're going to need to prep a block of silken tofu. You can use firm, I guess, but this is the only tofu I keep around. Wrap your block in paper towels and apply pressure. I'm using my new little pot and some black bean chili paste. Let it sit for 30 minutes. Unwrap it and wring out the water. Then, wrap it up again and go another 30 minutes. Now you can slice it up into cubes. Go as big as you want. I like to keep them nice and small and dainty. Like me. Set them aside. Alright, grab an egg. Add a little bit of cornstarch. And whisk it together with a fork. Keep whisking until there's no lumps of cornstarch. Lumpy eggs aren't very tasty. Set them aside. Last bit of prep is a flavor bomb. In a bowl goes some soy sauce, low sodium please, some Chinese black vinegar. If you don't have this, rice wine vinegar works pretty well too. And lastly, some chili garlic sauce. Start with 1 teaspoon. I'm going to use about 2.5 because I like my soup nice and spicy. Because I too am nice and spicy. Alright, let's make some soup. In a big pot goes a little bit of your chicken broth. You can use veggie. Add cornstarch and whisk until there are 0 lumps. Add the rest of your broth and bring the whole mess to a boil. Once it's boiling, add your flavor bomb. Alright, add your shrooms, drop the heat down to low. Add green onions, just the white part, and a little bit of ginger. Cover and cook for 5 minutes. Our shrooms cook down quite a bit. Now you can carefully add that tofu. Bring the whole thing up to a boil one more time and then turn off the heat. Alright, grab your eggs and then drizzle them onto the top of your soup. Allow it to sit for a minute, and then you can stir the whole mess in. You can also add the green parts of your green onions now. Now this is what I like to call a big boy soup, and a big boy soup deserves a nice big boy pot. This one's my new favorite because it's shiny and gold. It's hot, it's sour, it's totally tasty! Max Soup is yummy! If you're craving more Pokemon recipes, check out this playlist, complete with drinks, treats, and curries. In the meantime, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss a thing. See you next time. Thanks for watching. Bye!